Hello. This is Kostas, and I would like to to show you an amazing tool. In fact, this is one of the amazing tools that I'm gonna show you because this is gonna be one part, and to the next video, I'm gonna show you a very interesting other tool that it does exactly the same. This tool, it can if you have a big list of leads and you don't want to hurt your IP or your server or your autoresponder, you want to be sure that those leads are clean and they exist. Because if you just send emails to leads that they have closed their accounts or the accounts belongs to Gmail or Hotmail and people are over quota and they see that you send a lot of emails to people that they don't exist, that can hurt the IP or your domain. Okay, so the best way to do to be sure if an email is safe, it's this nice program. So let me show you what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna just uh, drag and drop. You can even just check and evaluate an email or each email one by one. But that's not the case. I would suggest you to create a CSV file and just drop it over here and let it do the job to 100 because daily you're gonna have 100 grades to be able to verify and evaluate your list. Okay, so let's move on. I have a very big list that there are more than 200,000 leads because I use even the my lead gen secret. I'm gonna leave a link to my description so that you find out what exactly is that tool. And I just want to be sure that most of the leads from that I get from there are active and they're not gonna hurt my domain in case I use those leads to another project and try to send emails from my domain or my email. So I just separate 100 leads each day. I just track them over here and the system it's gonna analyze and evaluate those leads. You see, I'm gonna just click start and it's gonna start evaluating the leads and check how many of those leads are valid. So in this case, you're gonna see that it's running. It's really very fast testing and ensuring that some of those leads are not okay or some of those leads don't exist. As you can see, even from the first day, I had a 92% success and 6% and the rest they don't exist at all. So about 8% of your list it's gonna be faulty, closed, or unauthorized leads. So it's better not to send any mails to those people and don't bother uh, because it's gonna hurt your domain, your IP, and your server reputation. Okay, so that's all. Now I can just download those emails that they're the good emails, and that's going to be the 92% of those that I checked, and I'm going to be able to add to my autoresponder. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Watch the next one because you're going to love it too. It's another tool that it does exactly the same, and it does it very well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video and stay tuned for more very interesting videos. And don't forget to check the link to my description about my lead gen secret. Thank you very much, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.